This is going to be a make money online tutorial with ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can make money with ChatGPT with zero money to start. ChatGPT is an AI software that can answer questions and assist you with tasks. And there are so many ways to make money with ChatGPT, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can make affiliate marketing commissions with the power of artificial intelligence. First, you need to understand what is affiliate marketing. The concept is simple. You promote a product that you don't own. For example, if we go to Amazon, we can find products. And let's say that you want to promote this iPad. You can become an affiliate for Amazon and they will give you an affiliate link. And if someone buys the product through that link, you can make a commission. So now we're going to find a product to promote. We're going to go to ClickBank Marketplace and search for the top offers. And we're going to promote this weight loss product. We're going to click here on promote, then create hub link. And this is my affiliate link. You can use this strategy for any niche or any product you want. We're going to ask ChatGPT to write weight loss facts. ChatGPT is generating the answer. Then I'm going to go to canva.com and I'm going to click on create a design. And I'm going to choose TikTok video. Then I'm going to go to pexels.com and search for exercise. And I'm going to download this one. I'm going to upload that video on Canva. And I'm going to copy this weight loss fact and paste it in the video. And I'm going to add this call to action, click the link in the bio. I'm going to go to bit.ly, which is a URL shortener. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new link. I'm going to click on create new link. So the destination link is going to be my ClickBank link. I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to add this name to the bit.ly link, /livepure01. Then I'm going to click on create. I'm almost done. I have my affiliate link and the video. Now I'm going to upload the video on TikTok. Let me show you. This is my TikTok account. And when you have 1,000 subscribers, you're going to be able to put here your link. You need to copy the link that you have created and paste it here. What I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to download this video. I'm going to click on share, then download. And I'm going to drag and drop the video to upload it into TikTok. I'm going to click on edit the video because I want to add some music. And then you can add hashtags related to the video. The final step is to click on publish. A good recommendation on TikTok is to put the same keywords inside of your video here in the description and in the hashtags. As you can see in the screen, if I do a keyword research on TikTok with this keyword become financially free, my account appears in the first spot. Let me show you. My keyword is here, here in the bio, and in all the videos, and in the hashtags. You can use this strategy, but this is only a starting point. You need to create more videos with this information. And as you upload more videos, you can make commissions. But you need to know that it takes time. The cool thing about this strategy is that you can start for free. ClickBank, bit.ly, ChatGPT, and TikTok are free. But the problem is that you are not collecting leads. You are just sending traffic to the affiliate link. And if you want to have a long-term business, you need to build a 24/7 sales system. That's why I recorded this video, how to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing for beginners. In that video, you'll learn how to set up properly the system. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, write in the comments. God bless.